Welcome to Rayman Can. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Miracle Gro all-purpose plant food. Let's get started. The purpose of this product is to feed your plants because it's plant food. Makes your plants grow bigger and look healthier. This particular kit comes with a scoop. If you're going to be using it for indoor plants, you're going to use the smaller end of the scoop, which is half a teaspoon. If you're going to be using it for outdoor plants, you're going to use the larger end of the scoop, which is 1.5 tablespoons. Whichever one you go with, you're going to mix that amount up with 1 gallon of water. Let me show you how that's done. In our case today, we're doing outdoor plants, so we have our 1 gallon water can. So I'm going to go ahead and fill the big, larger size scoop up, which is going to give me 1.5 tablespoons of fertilizer. From there, I'm going to put that in my water can, and then I'm going to fill my water can up with water. You can do it the opposite way where you fill the water can up with water first and then put the fertilizer in. I just prefer to do it this way because the water helps me mix it up, or should I say gives me a better mix. Either way, just remember it's 1 gallon of water only, and this is a 1 gallon water can. Our can is full. Let's go water some plants. With this 1 gallon of fertilizer, I'm going to water these 2 medium-sized plants along with 2 smaller plants. With indoor plants, you want to use this stuff every 2 weeks. Outdoor plants every 7 to 14 days. For a link to this product, I will put it somewhere in the description. Questions or comments, please let me know. Subscribe, share, follow, like, all that stuff. And thanks for watching.